This is A Plus Tech Geek again with you guys, and tonight we're going to speak about repairing your credit score free without all those payments, things that people are always trying to take from you. Do not do this. Try it this way first, and then if after 3 months it didn't work, then maybe think about those people. But I'm telling you, it will work. It's 100% guaranteed. So first, everybody knows you need to be not making any big purchases on your credit cards when you're getting over your limit, or not to have too much of a limit on it. Try to keep your credit cards always under 30%, even lower if you can for the first 3 months now, and then the credit score will jump up. But this is not the trick. There's a few things you can do. First of all, take your highest limit card. See if you have any friend that you can friend, a wife or a brother or sister. See if they have the highest credit card that they have with the lowest limit on it and the highest line with the longest history, and tell them to add you as additional card. But you don't need to have that card in your hand. You don't need to use that card. The only thing you need to do is to get it activated, and they can take you off of it after 3 months. But the magic in it is the second that you get this card activated, what happened is all the history of that card since the day it got opened, plus all the line of it, gets inside your credit score and jump you in sometimes 100, 120 points, just because you have now history for another 10 years of a card that is with a limit of $10,000, that you have now extra $10,000 on your limits. And then you do 2 or 3 of those. Once you have them, your credit score jumps up and you can apply for any card in that time. Once you get those cards, your friends can take you off of their card and cancel it. It doesn't matter. You already got your card. This is the best option. It's a trick that gets maneuvered in the system. Nobody can see it. That's called a rider. So you ride on somebody else's line for that few months, and then you can even go and get a car for financing or car for a lease in a price that you would never get it before, because your credit was not 700, your credit was not more than 550. And this is the easiest way to jump it up in 150 points, 100 points in less than 3 months. This is something that never happens in any of all those people that tells you need to pay for that, and we're gonna erase your line from this, or you erase your line from that. But all of that, what they want is just money. Everything I'm telling you now, it's free. You can do it easy. With less than a month, you have everything you need. Nobody needs to get involved. Nobody doing anything for you, and you don't need to pay for it. That's the most important thing. If that's what you're into, comment below and I'll get you all the info you need for it. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel if you like. We will get you every time something new, some new tricks. Like us, our A Plus Tech Geek on YouTube, A Plus Tech Geek on Instagram. Thank you. Have a great day.